Defense attorney Kevin Goff, who represents one of the suspects responsible for Ahmaud Arbery's death, requested that Jesse Jackson be removed from the courtroom. Jackson was there to support Arbery and Arbery's family, and Goff argued that Jackson's presence was a distraction, although nobody was making a big deal out of it except him. Goff also requested a mistrial over emotional outbursts made by Ahmaud Arbery's mother, which pretty much equated to her whimpering. Let's take a look at what Goff had to say.
Submit, with all respect to the Reverend Jesse Jackson, that this is no different than bringing in police officers or uniformed prison guards in a small town where a young black man has been accused of assaulting a law enforcement officer or corrections officer.
Man.
What are your thoughts on this F-boy's actions, what he said? I'm so sick of him.
I know this is going to sound real ignorant, what's about to come out my mouth, but if racism had to look like somebody, it would look like that judge. Like that judge looks like the mascot for all things racist.
The lawyer, not the judge.
The damn judge.
Really? Because he's been pretty cool, though.
I know what I said.
Okay,
all right, go ahead.
And that lawyer, he is focused on everything except the facts of that damn case. Jesse Jackson ain't even got no wind beneath his wing, okay? Jesse Jackson.
First of all, wait.
Listen.
Who the hell picked that picture?
Jesse Jackson.
Y'all tried it.
God
tried to know that picture.
Jesse Jackson is on his way up out of here, and you worried about damn Jesse Jackson? Like, you can tell that this man knows that his case ain't going nowhere, because you should be focused on the facts, especially if they ain't in there singing swing low, sweet chariot, or we shall overcome. Leave them damn people alone and focus on the facts of the case.
And I gotta say, this judge, though, is the exact opposite of the judge in Kenosha. Like, this judge has been checking the hell out of him, and he may look like racism, but he's actually
you know what?
Really good
I take that back. Hold on.
I try to save you, Q.
I was talking about Kenosha. See, the problem is y'all killing too many damn black people. I can't keep up with all the damn cases. I thought that was Kenosha.
No, that was Ahmaud Arbery. So yeah, Ahmaud Arbery's judge is actually handling the case.
Can y'all stop killing us so I could not be confused about if it's Judge Judy, Judge Wapner, Judge. Okay,
Claudia.
That's my first statement.
Right, we're gonna give you a break today, Q. You got a hard day. It's all good. We all mess up. I'm gonna give you my brain pills. Go ahead, Al.
This is crazy. This defense attorney is crazy. He's bold, and everybody knows that this is called a distraction tactic. Just like Jesse Jackson said, they're looking for diversion, and they're not going to get it. The sad part is, it's not just Jesse Jackson that he spoke against. They said all black pastors. They don't want no black pastors. He said, I don't want any more black pastors. But you want to know what? It's great to see Reverend Jesse Jackson out of the hospital and back on the pavement, because this is what he does, and this is what he does right. We really, honestly, I know that y'all keep joking on Jesse Jackson, but we need to honor this man and give him all his flowers every time we can, because it's moments like this that he shows up and he makes a difference in the narrative. And Claudia, like you said, that judge even said that he didn't even know Jesse Jackson was in the room. And in fact, because he didn't know he was in the room, he clearly didn't serve as a distraction.
This is Jesse Jackson.
I want to see.
Go ahead.
I want to see Creflo get on his plane and come up. I need Jamal Bryant up there. I need Eddie Long to come back from the dead. I need, stay away. I need Bernice King to take her dyking ass up there. I need everybody to go up.
Well, listen, Q, we do know that Martin Luther King III came. We do know that Jamal Bryant came. We do know that all the influential mega church pastors have shown up for this young man. And I believe that we got all eyes on them. And I'm hoping at minimum we're going to get justice. This judge seems like he's pointing in the right direction. So I have a lot of favor in this.
I think they said, 250 black pastors are scheduled to go down there and run up on it
tomorrow. That's right.
And y'all know it'll be real nasty, baby. It'll be so nasty if Oprah and Felicia Rashad go into that thing. Baby, that would just be black woman magic personified. Just hair just rolled to the gods, just sitting up there, honey. And Michelle Obama. They should take a road trip. Michelle Obama, Felicia Rashad, and Oprah and just sit in the bite.
You know, they talk about a distraction. You ain't seen a distraction just yet. Now, Phoenix in the comments says they want a room full of white men. Let's be real, had nothing to do with black pastors. I think seeing Jesse Jackson as such a prominent figure this has been his life's work. It gives the case more weight, the importance of it. So him being there, it's making that defense attorney feel like, oh, damn. But yeah, you have a horrible case. And they showed the t-shirt that Ahmaud Arbery was wearing when he was shot, 5-inch wide entry wound, bullet hole into this man. They said there was nothing that could be done. The medics could not have saved this man no matter what.
But you know what the best part, Claudia, was? You remember when Whoopi Goldberg was reading about this update, and she was saying, well, as she was introducing the segment, she said they had in the script to say allegedly killed. And she said, you know what? This ain't alleged. We saw those 3 defendants kill that black man. It's not alleged. We all witnessed it. I love how she stood up and the way that she's a social activist. Just you need to add Whoopi Goldberg with Oprah.
And they're gonna have to get a van from Hertz because all of them can't get in the car.
You know what? I'm gonna move on.